On a recent trip to Buc-ee's in Calhoun, Georgia, I found these delicious sweet confections. Creamy original walnut pralines. Now this is the Buc-ee's version of a praline. I was actually quite intrigued to see how it would be flavor-wise, texture-wise, since it had been sitting on a shelf. As you can see here, it is actually quite moist, surprisingly. This praline is full of walnuts, which gives it another plus, in my opinion, because when I look for a praline, I want one that has a lot of nuts and that is creamy and soft in texture. And as you can see here, that is exactly what Buc-ee's has achieved. And by marketing it as creamy, they have definitely done that. So if you are ever around a Buc-ee's and you want a sweet treat, I highly recommend these delicious, creamy, original walnut pralines. Sure, they're loaded in calories, but hey, it's Buc-ee's. You have to try one, right? Thanks for watching.